Hello everyone. In this session, we are going to explore about command prompt. I am going to tell you basically what command prompt is, and we are going to run some basic commands on it and to learn how to execute and how to use command prompt effectively. So I think everybody can see my screen, and this screen, this black screen that you can see here, is a kind of command prompt in Windows. So let me try to minimize it yet. And first, let's see the command prompt definition. And thereafter, we will explore about the important commands one by one. So command prompt is a command line interface which is used in computer operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. It is a textual interface that allows users to interact with the operating system by typing commands rather than using graphical user interface. So rather than clicking on the folders and doing our task just by clicking over the folders and in the manner of graphical user interface, we can do the same task just by writing the commands, and that will improve very important concepts of the machines. Okay, in Windows, the command prompt is sometimes called as Windows command prompt or MS-DOS prompt. So basically, when you open the command prompt, you can enter commands to perform a variety of tasks such as managing files and directories and starting and stopping services, configuring networking settings, and many more. Right. The command prompt usually displays the current directory or folder that you are working in, and you can change the directories and navigate the file system using commands. You can also run scripts and batch files, which are sequences of commands that can automate the task. And command prompt is a powerful tool for advanced users and systems administrators who need to perform complex tasks and automate repetitive tasks, right? So let's understand about this. If you are going to just write cd, basically it is going to tell me the current directory in which I am working. So right now I am working in this directory, right, as you can see here. Now, let's start from very simple. So let me type date. So it is going to tell me today's date, that is 10/3/2020, right? And if I want to know the time, what exactly time it is, so just type the time here and you can see the my current time, right? That is 17 minutes and 27 seconds, right? And if you want to know something more, if you want to clean the screen, let's say if something is already written and if you want to clean it, you can just clean like cls and all the text that is written on the command prompt would be cleaned, right? Now if you want to move from one directory to other, so let me try to move to edge directory. So in my pc I am having edge directory, as you can see this one. Okay, I want to move to G directory. So if I want to move to G directory, I can just write G, and right now I am working in G directory. And in my G directory, I don't have anything. You can simply see I don't have anything here. So this is reflecting that I am working in G directory. Now I can use the simple command, let's say mkdir. That command is used basically for making directory, and we can make any directory, let's say a b c, right? And if I will click enter here, and if I will open this new folder gg, so you can see that this directory abc is created here, right? So this is how you can create directories. If you want to create some more directories, you can just type mkdir and let's say xyz and just press the enter, and you can see that I am having one more directory xyz. Now, if you want to remove these directories, you can just use the command rmdir and just name the directories, let's say xyz, and press the enter. So one of the directory xyz was again removed, right? So this is how you can create directories, and this is how you can remove the directories, correct? Now, the thing is that if you want to write, if you want to create some files, right? If you want to create some files, so let's type type and nul, let's say, and thereafter we can create any file, let's say 1.txt. So this file would be created. name 1.txt. So you can simply see that this one and the extension is txt. But right now this file don't have anything because we have just created an empty text file, right? Because I have mentioned txt here. Okay, now if I want to create some files which will have some content also, so we can do it with many methods. One method can be like I can write copy and thereafter I can write con basically for content, and I can write the let's say the file name 2.txt, and thereafter I can just press the enter. So I want to write something that can be appear in that 2.txt file. So let's say I'm writing my name is Rahul Jain and just press the enter and put Control plus Z and press the enter. So you can see one file is copied. One file is copied. So again, open here 2.txt. This file created and this file is going to have some content. My name is Rahul Jain, right? So this is how you can create any file with content in it, right? I hope you are getting the things properly. Now, if you want to know that how much task is running on your PC, just put tasklist and press the enter. So this much amount of task is currently appearing, currently executing in my PC, right? Just remove them. CLS, clearing the screen, right? Okay. Now you can see that how to create directory, how to remove directory, how to use the date command, time command, CLS command, right? Now, if you want to know the system information of your computer, just type system info and put enter. So it is loading the processor information and some more information, and this is completely the information of my system, as you can see, right? And you can just clear it. Okay, if you want to know about the IP address, just put ipconfig, and definitely you will get the IP address. If you are connected to the local area network, that is router, it is going to give you the IP address of it, right? So let me clean it again. Okay, so these are some of the important commands. I hope you are getting it right. Now we are having some directories here, right? Some is 1.txt, 2.txt, abc. So two files here, one directory abc. If I want to remove that directory, you can just use rmdir, right? If I want to delete files, I can use del 1.txt. So just press the enter and the 1.txt is deleted, right? So I hope that you got it right, that how to delete any particular file or how to create it using the command prompt. Further, if you want to create some files, right, you can also use some commands like let's say echo, and you can write here anything. Let's say echo hello gunwans, and after that what you can do that just you can create, let's say 3.txt and just put the enter. So you can see, just open the container here. In this folder 3.txt is created and this file is having the content hellogun once. So this is also one of the method via which you can create any file with some text in it. For that you need to use the echo command, right? And the ping command is we are using for sending some packets to the network to let us know that whether we are connected to that particular router or the network in a network or not. We are part of any network or not, right? And if you are going to put exit exit, you will completely out of this, right? So this command prompt will be closed, right? And for opening, you can just press the Windows button and just put cmd here, and you will see that a command prompt would be open, and this is your current directory. For moving into any particular directory, just write the name. So if I want to move into G, just put G and colon, and you would be working in that particular directory, correct? Now, we have discussed almost about how to create directory, how to remove directory, and many more. So what you can do, let's try to create one file. Let's say uh, echo, and in that file we are writing something hello Gunis and Gunwans. I hope you all are doing well, and we can give it a name, anything. Let's say Guni dot txt, right, and enter. So I hope that in this we have guni.txt, and in this text file we are having that much content, right? So this is how you can use the command prompt, and with the help of that you can do your task which you are doing with graphical interface. With the help of such kind of commands you can pace up, and hopefully you will understand much more concepts one by one, right? So further, if you have any doubt, confusion, query, please feel free to ask. And if you want to know any particular things from me, just put in comment section. Thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.